So let me show you how to remove objects from photos on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So you want to find the photo that you want to remove an object from. So find a photo. So I'll find a photo like this one, for example. And then to remove an object, simply tap on Edit. And then under Edit, you want to select AI Studio. And this will give you a couple of AI options. So scroll through and find AI Eraser. And it's going to prompt you to draw or circle around the object that you want to remove. So I'm going to circle on something like this one, for example. I'll try and remove this PlayStation. So circle around that object and make sure you circle around accurately. If you don't want, if you haven't selected it properly, simply tap on this redo icon to do it again. And once you select that, simply tap on start to erase. And it's going to erase that image or that particular object that you've chosen. So give it a few moments to complete that process. And once it completes, just like that, you will be able to see that the object has been removed. Now, if you press this icon right here, you should see what the photo looks like before and after. Now, if you like it, you can simply tap on the check mark to save that photo. And just like that, that photo is going to be saved. So tap on the check mark once again. And this photo is now not going to have that same object that you removed. Now you can tap on this icon at the top here to overwrite the original file or to save this as a new file, just like that. That's basically how to remove objects from photos on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.